All right, so let's look at the last question here. Question 9. The simplified diagram below represent an electrochemical cell used for the purification of copper. That is what we're having. Now you can see that copper chloride, electrode B, this is a negative terminal and this is a positive terminal. So meaning here, it will be copper ion and chloride ion. That is what we're having. Okay, so state the energy conversion that takes place in this cell. What does it do? This converts electrical to chemical. Electrical to chemical. That's what we know. Define electrolyte, use examination guideline, a solution that conducts electricity through the movement of ions. Don't forget about that. Which electrode contains impure copper? Which electrode contains impure copper? Write down electrode A or B. Remember, it should be the one on the side where there is what? On the side where there is negative. You get the point? So it should be on the negative electrode. So which means that 9.3, no, not the negative electrode. I mean the positive. It should be the one with impure. It's oxidation, actually, what I mean. So the answer is what here? The answer is A. The answer is electrode A. Is this one. That's where oxidation is going to take place. And it's a positive. In galvanic cell, oxidation takes place at a negative. That is the reason why I'm saying that. Okay, now next, write down the half reaction which take place at B. So since B is negative, copper will be attracted there. So the answer here is going to be copper ion plus 2 electrons to give us copper solid. That is the answer for that one, 2 marks. Is electrode A the anode or the cathode? I told you about this, that since it's a positive, that is anode, okay? The answer is anode. It's a positive electrode. The 2 electrodes are replaced with carbon rods. Now we put carbon rods there. Write down what will now be observed at electrode A. You see, what is it that is going to happen? We are going to see chlorine gas being formed at A. At anode, because chlorine is coming there. What we are going to see is that chlorine gas will be formed. I hope you understand that, because oxidation, I'm going to explain it. Let me explain it because they asked me to explain on the next question. How do you explain that? This is the way to explain it. To say uh, chlorine gas is there in the formula. Chlorine ion, it form chlorine gas plus 2 electrons. Write down the relevant of friction. That is the one. 2 marks. Good. All the best. Don't forget to subscribe.